If we believe that someone else is committing the sin by doing this, and we believe that we are innocent by merely observing it, we should reverse our perspective. We are initiating the order, and what we order is being presented to us. Therefore, the real responsibility is on us, and these children, our daughters, our women, are becoming our victims. We are in the customer, we are requesting. How is a fur? Some living beings have fur. When someone with a high body wants to buy it as a clothing, someone goes to the wild forests to find those animals. They kill them and bring their furs. Yes, they are committing a crime, but the real crime is actually ordered by those who commercialize it, those who demand it, those who say, if you bring it, I will pay for it. Like, if you wear this outfit, I will click, watch, look at you. I will watch this series you made. I will watch your movie. Then, in terms of our deeds, when we ascend to the divine presence, the main part of the sin is like the sharing of fault in a commercial traffic accident. There is an 8-to-2 distribution of fault. 2 out of 10 is for this, and the remaining 8 is for that. From here, the main customer is predominantly the male side. The main customer is here. The demand is created, and this demand is calculated, as we said. Every click is calculated, and every glance on the street is also calculated. The girl states, when I dress like this, I attract attention, I get attention. There are even scientific studies that show that display is effective in a certain way, even when going for a job interview. And there are studies indicating that this has been resolved, it has turned into an expectation, and results can be achieved. So if the demand side is like this, I believe that by exposing myself in this way, I can attract more individuals who are potential marriage partners, people who are interested and meet my expectations of friendship. Otherwise, I would not receive any attention. Therefore, if our males in society are actively promoting and incentivizing exhibitionism, we as individuals become the starting point where the real crime originates, triggers, initiates, and creates a demand. By committing this sin, we are polluting our society, our children, our people, and our environment more and more with the crime of exhibition. God has forbidden this act and instructed us not to look at it. The consequences of engaging in such behavior are detrimental to our moral fabric and the well-being of our community, emphasizing the importance of refraining from this forbidden act. Thus, we know where to stop. We can issue this request ourselves without relying on others. In society, by explaining this in a proper and appropriate language, we ourselves are in a better position, especially those who are involved in this act, and in my opinion, they are more passive with an expression that others are guilty. A smaller portion of the blame rests with them, but when it comes to us males who complain about it, we employ a phrase that attributes the majority of the blame to them. No, exhibition crime is a crime committed by multiple individuals, and if exhibition crime is predominantly committed through the female body, then the primary perpetrator is the male side as the one who gives instructions, sets expectations, and provides rewards in the form of clicks, likes, transactions, and interest. Therefore, when we expose this mechanism of the crime, we must reflect on our own actions first.